IVM.
Namaskar, this is Ashish Vidyarthi. Good to see you here, dear friends. Welcome to another episode of Begin the Journey. You know, I love to chat. And today, we're talking hope. That's right, hope. Now, in this period of uncertainty, hope is the first casualty. How much we wanted this to just go away. How much we want to know when will this go away. Guess what? Remember, there was a time that it used to rain and rain very heavily, and then you checked with the Met department, how long is the rain going to be? And they said, another 3 days. It lasted for 1 more day or 2 more days, and then it went away. But in this case, no one knows. There is no department which can tell us how long this will last. Dear friend, if we give hope small periods of time, and then we say, if it doesn't happen, let hope die, it won't work. Give hope a period much longer than you are giving it. Listen, don't let hope die each day. So I am trying to look at life in this particular way. I'm saying, I have dreams. I have things that I want to really do in my life. And that I will do in my life. But if I keep looking at it and saying that, next 10 days I could not do. Next 20 days I could not do. I am finished. I'm just doing a disservice to myself. Please remember, your life, your dream, your possibilities, your career, your profession is much longer than this crisis. Don't limit yourself by this crisis. Look at life beyond. We don't know when that will happen, but we are clear. Life will go on. So give hope a wider berth. Remember, somebody like me, I have seen life, and so have you, and you have gone through many a crisis. When any crisis happens, it's too big. It's too big. You just don't know how you will survive it. I have gone through numerous such things. I remember right at the beginning of my career, I was doing this film Drohkal, and I hit my head against, a set wall. And guess what? I collapsed. I started having bouts of just collapsing. And then I was taken to hospital because there was a clot in my brain. And you know what the doctor told me? Mr. Vidyarthi, you're now fine, but you just have to be careful of a couple of things. A, don't face harsh lights. B, don't go anywhere where if you fall, you can hurt yourself. And C, don't go to extreme temperatures. Imagine what I thought. Here I was beginning my career as an actor, and the doctor was telling me I couldn't do all the things that an actor needed to do. Over a period of time, as I took care of myself, I realized that more than the medicine, it is my mental ability to deal with this which will allow me to move forward. Today, nearly 27 years after that episode, I'm around. I am going through new crises each day. I'm clear. My life is going to be longer than this crisis too. Dear friend, look around you. There are many people who have gone through many crises, just like you have. And this too shall pass. Let's go through this with our heads ready for the future. We shall be careful. Oh yes, we shall be. But we will not lose hope. I want to hear your thoughts, Bandhu, because it is important that we share the thoughts of possibility. We all need the support of each other. Al Shukran Bandhu, Al Shukran Zindagi. Let's keep beginning the journey each day. This too shall pass. Cheers.
I hope you enjoyed that show. I'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Paytm Money and Intel. Really, really fun week, and I think that you guys should definitely check out some of the stuff we did. So we had Shifa Mehta, who is the host of the show Smile India, on the Paperback Podcast. Really fun thing. On Edges and Sledges, our hosts had an episode just amongst themselves. No guests this time. Really fun show with lots of cool banter. I think you'll enjoy that quite a bit. On Storytellers and Storysellers, Vineet had Shrishti Bell on. Shrishti is the head of Netflix in India, and I think you'll really enjoy that conversation as well. Also, do check out Uncle Please Sit. Joel and Tushar had Anuya Chatatkar on. Anuya hosts the popular YouTube channel Books on Toast. And don't forget others of your old favorites like The Habit Coach, Football Should Ball, All Things Policy. All of them are doing a great job during this pandemic, and you should definitely check them out. And with that, we hope to see you again next week.
Are you constantly seeking happiness? Wondering how to make the most of every day? How not to let your inhibitions stop you from achieving your goals? It's now time to get your A game on. It's time to unlock your true potential. Tune in to the Empowering series with me, Zarina Poonawalla, to feel empowered in all genres of life. From behavioral skills to management skills. From health to relationships. From mental well-being to emotional well-being. And of course, your finances. I've got you covered. With these tips and tricks from me, Zarina, and true life stories from my amazing guests, you're bound to bring your purest to the table. Tune in to the Empowering series with Zarina Poonawalla every Thursday on the IVM Podcast app, website, or wherever you listen to podcasts.